my beautiful channel bundle. Today I'm gonna go check on our garden. I already pulled out other weeds and another garden. Wow. And this side's not growing. We planted an apple tree. Good morning, Leia. Rising sun, Graham. At 5 a.m. I woke up and and then I ate something and I saw my bunny sleeping. Their eyes were like open and they were like sleeping. I know because they weren't moving. And my bunny's there. I hope everyone had a good morning. Woo. Good morning, Pinky. So now, let's see. Who wants to volunteer to help me fix this bike chain? Chain fell off. The bike chain fell off. I'm gonna have to try to fix it. First, I need to get my camera stand. I couldn't find it, so I guess I could just do it this way. Then we're gonna spin it backwards. Oh no. I got it on! This is the first time I ever got it on. Because the other times I never got it on. I had to let someone else do it for me. But I got it on now. So well, that's a video how to get your bike chain on. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. And I hope you have a wonderful morning and breakfast.